In the town of Minersville, Pennsylvania, there's a train station on Seltzer Road. At a glance, you might think it's a normal train station, until you look across the road. This steam engine is Central Railroad of New Jersey number 113, built in 1923 by the American Locomotive Company. Originally built for yard switching, the engine did so for 30 years. Restoration began in 1999 and finished in 2013. Today, number 113 pulls excursion trains out of Minersville, like today's Santa train, with passenger cars provided by the Reading and Northern Railroad, who owns these tracks. We decided to chase today's train on its journey from Minersville through the middle of Schuylkill County to Schuylkill Haven, a little less than 8 miles away. We drove down to Schuylkill Haven, where we met the southbound train at the depot. Reading and Northern Railroad diesel number 2014 pulled the consist south, and it wasn't long before the headlights appeared out of the fog. Soon the train returned as it started the journey back to Minersville, and we could hear it coming before we saw it. Then we headed to the north end of the yard in the neighboring town of Cressona at Beckville Road. little further north, we stopped at Glenworth Road. Next was the Westwood Junction on the southwest corner of Pottsville. We also got a shot of the train going under the Route 209 overpass. Second to last shot was Maple Avenue. At the end of the day, we were back in Minersville. And that wraps up today's chase. I hope you enjoyed today's look at engine number 113. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below, and feel free to leave a comment and share this video with your friends. Finally, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. With that being said, that's all I've got for you today. I'll talk to y'all again soon. This has been the Y&P Studio, signing off.